Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, this video is for anyone that wants to start filming nail videos. So even if you're not doing this for nail videos and you're having you want to start like a drawing channel and you need that double view shot, or if anybody that just wants to know how I do my videos, my nail videos, because in the beginning when I started, I really didn't know how to do that view, how to hold up the camera, how to hold the phone. So yeah, this basic video is just about filming my film setup. So if you guys want to see how I film my YouTube videos for my nail channel, keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's get started with the video. So it is a little dark over here only because there's not much going on this side of the room. Usually like here someone will sit and if they're waiting or they're waiting for someone. So it's darker, but we are gonna work on making this side a little bit lighter. We'll see how we do that. But as for the filming setup, so this is where I obviously shoot the videos. This is where I sit. And this is the ring lights where my Canon G7X Mark II, I believe. Is that right, babe? It's Mark II? Yeah, that's the camera I use. And that's the camera that I sit right here. So I will be showing you guys the camera after. But we are recording on that exact camera right now. So I am going to be taking my phone so I can review kind of the camera so you guys can see what it actually looks like. And that's my tablet going off. And that's another thing I'm going to be showing you guys. So yeah, so this is where my G7X camera would go. And this is the ring light that I got. This is the Nova Diva ring light, like one of the most popular ones the YouTubers use. I don't remember exactly which one it was because, you know, they had like 3 different sizes, and I think I got the middle one. I don't remember if it was, I remember I didn't want the small one and I didn't want the bigger one, but I did get the one in between, so that was good. And if you want to see it a little up close, you can kind of see how it would look right here. So it does get brighter. So if, you know, my boyfriend's standing behind it, then you guys can obviously see me in better lighting. And that's, I don't remember exactly how much it was, but I will be leaving the links in the description box down below if you guys want to check it out. And also my boyfriend and my dad, they put up these tri-lights that we got at Home Depot. My boyfriend actually kind of customized when we bought it, so it's kind of like a la carte. We bought the 3 what would you call those, babe? Like the light bulb holder little round things, and then the stick and the thing in the middle that kind of goes up into, I guess that's the thing that gets screwed, right, or no? Mm-hmm. Okay, so that I don't remember how much it was, but I will be trying to find it. Hopefully I can find it on the Home Depot website, and I will leave it in the link if I can, or in the description box if I can. So then, so we would stay here. I will stay here when I do my videos. So the light is actually here, and then this ring light is actually really adjustable. If you want it to go higher, you can. You can adjust it to go way lower. You can adjust it to sit at one specific I guess level, and then it also like rolls up, so I can show you guys how that would look. So this here, you can roll it up. So if you want it higher, or if you wanted to shorten the legs, you can make it higher, shorter. Ooh. And then this just really has just one button. Turn it on, turn it off. And I mean, it was really pricey, but it was a really good purchase. So then the next thing would be the way that I do my double angles, right? So I take my phone, and with my phone, I just, you know, push record, but I put it right here. This is the ARKON mount. I think it was like 139 plus tax, somewhere around that, but I will leave that in the description box as well. And all I really do is snug my phone in there. But technically I have to do it the other way because I have to see. So say like this is what I do. So then this is how I start, and I put it on video. I adjust it and I push record. At the same time though, I don't like having this. So if you stand a little bit further, babe, you can, I want to show them how it looks. So this will basically be in the way if I leave it there and the camera's right here, right? So what I do is this ARKON mount is really cool because you can, let me see. You can adjust this, so you twist this part right here. And then it goes up. So that way that you don't see it with my Canon G7X camera, you won't see the phone in your view, and then you can just zoom it in a little bit. And then I put it down. I just adjust it to where I think it won't be showing. The cool thing about this mount too, you guys, is I thought about how in the future I was going to do live streams, which I did last week. I started my first couple live streams, and this tablet here really helped me a lot. My boyfriend was like, you need to get it. I didn't want to get it because I was like, no, do I really need it? But I had the ARKON mount and I was like, you know what? This is perfect because when I'm on live with you guys, I can see what you guys are talking about. So I'm over here recording. I can see the live stream here. Yeah, so it's really cool that I can see what you guys are saying. I can, you know, just be more active with you guys on here. And then that's basically how to do the W. That's basically how to do the live stream. So if you guys really want to get into YouTube, this is going to be a really good investment, the ARKON mount. And this light here I use when I have clients. So sometimes I put it here. Sometimes it's over here when I'm not recording. But if I am recording and I don't want it in my view, I just literally take it off. You can take it off of here. So you can put it back on. You can take it off. So I put it here. And I got this one off Amazon. I'll leave the link also in the description box below. What else? So also when I am recording for more lighting, I like to open this specific window and turn the lights on, or I'll put the whole thing up, the blinds. And I have the other light over there on the corner, and that light is from Walmart. I believe it was only $11. I do have a good tip for you guys. If you are filming, some people, I don't know why they don't like white lights. Filming wise, they look better. You need them. You don't want to use warm tone lights. Your videos are not going to look great. So every single light, if you look at the ring light, it looks like a white light. So if you look at those back lights, they're white lights. If you look at the top lights, they look like studio lights. They're all white lights, and they're all LED, I believe. Also, the sun, obviously natural lighting, is really good. So that's really how I try to figure out my lighting. Okay, so before we look at the camera, we do have these. So when I am recording the live streams, or when I'm recording just the videos in general, I zoom in and you really just, I have all these cool little backdrops that you can get at Walmart. I got these, I think this one was $10. I just bought another one for $5. This one I think was $10 because they're both on each side. They have two sides of color and different designs. So I think that's why this one was a little pricier. But yeah, that's why if you look at my last live stream, you see this little cute background so that it's not so boring when I'm recording. And it's something nice to look at. I have my little rock here, so when I'm doing tutorials, I also like to use this to sit and rest my hand. But yeah, that's really all for the table and for the mount. My tablet, I don't know about this ARKON thing, but it's amazing that they thought about how people nowadays work from home. And it has a tablet holder, the phone holder. This actually also, if you wanted to, I think it also came with the camera mount. So if I wanted to use my G7X, I actually have the other screw thing in the box where I can actually put my G7X instead. But when I record my regular videos without the double view, sometimes I use my G7X, sometimes I use my phone, depending on my mood that day. But I actually like to put my G7X on the ring lights, and I actually put it all the way up. So say I'm doing one view, I would rest the camera here, my G7X, and I would literally put this whole thing up. And then I would lower this for my phone. Move it away if it's not there. And then this, I would just, and that's how I get a really good lighting for my G7X. And as for if I'm recording on the ARKON mounts, I would just move this and adjust it as well. So like I said, it depends on my mood, how I really want to record that day. And usually it just depends. If I have a lot of time to spare, I'd rather record on my G7X. If I really want to just record something and get it out for you guys, then I'll do it on my phone. And for the editing software, or the editing app, sorry, it's the KineMaster app that I use, and it's really good. It has a lot of good stuff in it. Okay, and before I forget to mention, the phone that I actually use is the Galaxy Note 9, and it works perfectly fine. I am thinking of upgrading my phone. It's really not necessary though. That's why sometimes I'm like, do I really want a new phone? Even though it probably will help record better videos. What's the new phone that came out with? I think it was the
Galaxy.
It was the new phone that had 8. What's it called? Not 4K, 8K. But I don't know, guys. That phone works perfectly fine. Don't feel like you need to get everything like right away. I feel like that's the phone that I got to invest in my channel, because I had a worse phone than that one. So I love that phone either way, and it works perfectly fine. The quality is perfectly fine. I love how it looks. And even on the live streams, it looks great. It doesn't look that bad. It looks like a live stream, but what do you expect, right? So I am going to be showing you guys the G7X Mark II next. So I'm going to be recording that on my phone so you guys can see it, because obviously I can't record it with the Canon G7X while we're recording with it. So okay, so we're gonna turn the camera off, and I'll show you guys. I'm gonna get my phone and record the camera that my boyfriend's holding. Okay guys, so this is my Canon G7X Mark II. It does have a flip-up screen, which is amazing when recording yourself, because you want to make sure that the view looks good. You want to see how you look. You want to make sure the camera's, when it turns off, you want to make sure you see that so you can turn it back on. So this is where I place it. It has a little screw on the ring light. And yeah, so you turn it on, and this is what it looks like. And then obviously if this is in the way, I just remove it. I put it up like that. It's very versatile to remove. And then I just check the lighting. So if the lighting doesn't look good, I just like check it, if it's too bright, if it's too dark, like that. And then if I feel like the view's good, or I have to move the ring light around, I will. And you know, you just press record. And that's it. That's how I start while I'm looking at myself. So yeah, it's a really good camera, and I've had it for like a year now. Yeah, and I really love it. It looks great. If you want like a camera for your family too, you just want to take really good pictures, this is a really high quality camera. It is a little pricey too, but it was a really good investment for the channel, because the videos just look like better quality. So yeah. So I think that's it. I think I hit every point that I wanted to explain to you guys, and I'm just gonna show you what it looks like when I'm sitting down. This is what it looks like. I'm sitting right here. You can show them what it looks like there too. So I'm looking at myself, or you could come around and you can see like what I'm looking at. So maybe that's probably what they want to see. So this is me, and let's see. So it looks like a little dark. I don't know if it's because you just got there, but yeah, you can see it change. It does turn off if you're not recording, so if you're recording, this is what it's gonna look like. And yeah, I really like the setup. We worked really hard I worked really hard to figure it out. My boyfriend worked really hard, and my dad, to figure out the lighting on top. And that lighting really made a big difference in my recent videos, so I'm really happy about that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna, I think, finish it up here. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it really helped you. I hope it really helped you guys figure out what you're gonna do with your new channel or your existing channel, and how you're gonna better it. Or, you know, I hope that I give you guys some good tips and some good links to the things that I have, because these things that I got, I really feel have improved my channel a lot. Yeah, but that's all, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.